Hello everyone and welcome to the week of the 12th. I'm going to make this one quick here because I have a pounding headache and I just want to go to bed. But not a whole lot going on this week. Tomorrow I have a presentation and meeting for my change advocate for work, and then I'm going to be working out. Wednesday we will be going on a boat ride with Adam and company. And then Thursday and Friday there's not a whole lot going on, and then we'll volunteer over the weekend. I'll have to get in contact with Karen and see what we can do. It's kind of cool too because during last weekend on our shopping spree, we went to this Amazon store, and they had some arts and crafts there, and and there was some like toy cars, and there was like 3 wooden cars that little kids can build and paint. I thought this would be a cool activity to do, so so that's what we're gonna do this coming weekend, and then that's all that's going on this week, honestly. Yeah, can't think of anything else here. If there is, I'll be sure to vlog it, but one thing that I did do today when I got home, because I needed to, because it was marinating, is I cooked up some pork chops, and it was pretty good, and I'll have to give you guys the recipe for that. I don't have a video to show you because, one, my head hurts this today, and all it was marinating and then putting it on the skillet, so I'll have to show you the ingredients that I used for the marinade, though. And the same thing with alligator. Before Dylan left, he gave us some alligator and crawfish that his family gave him a care package for. Couldn't take it with him because he was driving all the way to Missouri, so it wouldn't keep. So we got to enjoy that. So I think the pork chops that I had was really good, and the gator for the recipe that I found, like, it is a kind of a tough piece of meat, but honestly, while it won't be my go-to, it actually is pretty good. Like, I would consider doing that again in the future. So, yeah, that was pretty much what happened today. I'm gonna go to bed now because my head hurts and I have a migraine, and I just want to end the day. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you guys throughout the week here. Have a good night, everybody. Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's topic of the week here. This week's topic is about boats. Boats. Yeah, I'm starting to run out of ideas, but honestly, like, with these Topic Tuesdays, I'm just thinking of things that I do throughout the week. And this week we went on a boating trip, as you probably saw in previous clips here. I'm going to try to include some of the clips that I took during our boating trip. I didn't take too many because I didn't take my camera, but I got some stuff on my phone that I could bring over. But anyway, that's probably not what you want to talk about. Honestly, like, boats are just a great pastime, especially here in Arizona once it starts to heat up. Now, unfortunately for me, when I went boating this week, I don't know if you can see this, like, yeah, I did get sunburned. And it doesn't make sense because I put on sunscreen like 3 different occasions, so whatever. But honestly, like, I love going out on boats. I do get, like, if it's like really choppy and bumpy, like, I do get like some seasickness. But on Wednesday, like, yeah, I mean, I did get a little bit at the start, but I got used to it. Yeah, honestly, like, this whole, like, male v female with, like, boats as well, like, I totally get it. Most of the people that I know that are guys are like totally into boats, and the girls are like, no, we can't do this. But honestly, like, if I had a boat of mine one day, like, I wouldn't complain about it. Like, I would take that everywhere that I go. But And my dad's like honestly like the same way. He would want a boat more than anything. So I mean, we'll see what happens in the future if I can afford one or not. I know when we went to San Diego like on family vacations, like we would rent boats all the time and just go on the water, which is super cool. I've been on a jet ski a few times, like those are pretty fun. But honestly, like my favorite boat that I like is pontoons. And you're like, yeah, that's not a fast boat. Like, what the crap? Like, what are you even doing? And yeah, it's not fast. Like, it only goes like 25 miles an hour, but it's like the party boat, honestly. Like, you can fit so many people on there, and you can have a big party on there and go swimming. You can still put on like a tube if you want to go tubing. Like, it's still like honestly like my favorite boat, just because of the sheer fact that you can hold so many people with it. And you can make it like a day thing too, like just bring like sandwiches and fruit and stuff. Like, that's what we did on Wednesday, and it's so awesome to go out. The lake that's closest to me is Lake Pleasant. It's only like a 20 to 30 minute drive. We do have also Lake Bartlett, but it is on the other side of like the city, so it takes like a little bit longer. But Lake Pleasant is the place to go to, honestly. I'm quickly running out of things to say until you've been to about 3.5 minutes, and I want to try to get to at least 8. Let me see what else I can think of here. As a glorified boat, like when I was talking with Joey this week, while we were on the boat, like one of my bucket list items to do is go on a cruise, and not just like some mediocre cruise. Like, I want to at least like go on a cruise where you dress up nice like one night or so, and then next night you put on a bathing suit, and that's it. Yeah, it is on my bucket list, and I don't think any of my like seasickness would interfere with that. Just because of the fact that it's so big that you just don't even feel it. I know like most of my buddies have gone on one. So I mean, like, it's just not been the first thing that's on my mind. But now that things are starting to open up again, like it is more easier to get on a cruise. So I'll have to look at that in the future. Let's see. What else do I want here? I mean, these are not necessarily boats, but like kayaks, canoes, and all that stuff. Like, I'm not gonna go on a wild river rapids, right? But I also like going on kayaks. One of my ex-girlfriend's parents actually had kayaks, and we got to go on the kayaks for free. So that was kind of cool here to do that for a while. But honestly, yeah, that's. I can't believe I finished this up early. And this is what I'm trying to fill in the week, so hooray. But thank you guys so much for watching this topic of the week. I'm sorry it was a bit shorter than it typically is, but I will see you guys all throughout the rest of the week. guys have an idea on what you're gonna build your cars?
No.
Nah, it's gotta come to you still.
I don't know how to build the car.
Yeah, but that's easy. It's the painting part that's fun.
Yes. The building part is the hard part.
Why is that?
Because sometimes I can mess up.
Yeah,
But
true.
then-
I'm done with the
sometimes
first
you
one.
actually can't do it.
I'm done.
Done with the first one.
Is there glue?
Already almost there.
No, it's not glued.
Then,
They're starting to look like cars a little bit.
yeah, they actually are.
Blake's got his down. Spencer's catching up.
I'm first place.
It's not a race.
Yes, it's not. Really not.
Not until you actually race these cars.
Yes. Which we're gonna do at the end with one more race because they're done. All of them are done.
Yeah. And I'm gonna do my other front wheel with this one. I'm gonna do it purple. So it goes purple, different color, purple, different color.
I might need a little bit higher. Racer number 24.
That take off of this. It's missing their mouth.
Very nice. Do you have another thing of newspaper?
Yeah,
I don't want to do
Alright, here's Blake's car.
my
24 on this side, 24 on this side. I'm gonna wiggle dude, I got my steering wheel, got my wheels on, and I got my bumper, and it's just 24, and my flame on top. I don't know why I put that right there, and I got my little, what are these called, Kevin? What are these called again?
Bumper.
Blinkers. This is my bumper.
Hey there everyone, welcome to the end of the week here. I had a busy week this week. I had my dentist appointment. I went on a loading trip on Wednesday. I ran a lot of errands on Saturday. And on Sunday, I volunteered, all while uploading 2 videos. So I don't have to do a double upload this week. And on top of working, so it was a pretty busy week, not gonna lie here. I'm just kinda getting prepared for what's to come here for vacation. I did get in contact with Big Brothers and Big Sisters, and I have a slip saying that I am going to be going out of state with him. So I'm getting all prepared for that. He's super excited. It's going to be a thing now. We're going to be going to the zoo and going to the beach. So it's going to be a quick, fun little 3-day vacay here for us, and I'm looking forward to it. Other than that, still chugging away at my projects here. I am getting close to my 3rd project. That's going to be my goal before going, is getting that settled. But I might have complications for that. Just because we are now down a member of my team. So, I kind of pick up some slack. So it's a soft goal that I have. Also, this week I found out that one of my coworkers is going to be out for a couple weeks here during a new hire training class, which is like the most important class on the schedule. So, they're having me step in for 2 weeks to go train them. So I'm meeting them with my coworkers to do that on Tuesday up here. So that'll be fun. Yeah, other than that, I can't think of really anything else. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this week. Oh, before I leave, past Kevin, future Kevin, past Kevin is now. I know we have trouble communicating with each other, but don't forget to put in those videos from your phone on this